Hi guys, welcome to the Pepcoding. In this video, we are going to solve capacity to ship packages within D days. So what question says is, we have a conveyor belt which has some packages that must be shipped from one port to another within D days. So we have some elements like 5. These are the packages having some weight 7, 2, 5, 10 and 8. These are the 5 packages. We have given a value D is equal to 2. This means we need to send these packages, we need to ship them from one port to another within D days, that is 2. Not less than D, not greater than D. Not greater than D, not less than D. This means we need to send all the packages within this D days. We need to send these in 2 days. Here, we may not load more weight than the maximum weight capacity of the ship. So we need to find the maximum weight of the maximum weight capacity of the ship. And the third thing is we need to return the least weight capacity of the ship. The least weight capacity of the ship within result in all the packages on the conveyor belt being shipped within D days. So what does that means is, see here by the example, let's say we have this number of packages. So for sending them, there are many ways. We can send 7 in the first day, the capacity is 8. In the second day, we can send these all. So this means in the first day we are sending 7. In the second day we are sending 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8, that is 5. This is the first way. Or we can send 7 and 2 in the first day, that is with the weight 9. And in the second day 5, 10 plus 8, that is 23. Now here the third way is we can send these 3 first. In the first day, that is 7 plus 2 plus 5, that is 14. And here in the second day we can send 10 plus 8, that is 18. Now the third way, the fourth way is the last way. We can send 7, 2, 5, 10 in the first day. We'll take 24 weight of the ship. In the second day we can send 8 package, the package with weight 8. So these are the 4 ways. Now here one more thing, we cannot send the packages in this manner. Like in the first day we cannot send 7 then 5 then 8. We need to ship them in continuous manner. The first package is 7, the second package will shift after that, not the third package or fourth, so on. So this is the one thing. Now here we have the number of ways. There are 4 number of ways. Now see the maximum weight. Maximum weight of the ship is, if we are using this way, the maximum weight is 25. We are using this way to change the packages, the maximum weight is 23. We are using this, the maximum weight is 18. We are using this, the maximum weight is 24. So these are the 4 weights of the ship if we ship the packages in this manner or this manner or this manner or this manner. Now we need to return the least weight capacity. So we need to return the least weight. Here we have 4 weights. We have 4 weights. So we have 4 weights. We need to return this least value. This is the least value among these 4. So we need to return this value. This is the least weight capacity of the ship. So how will we do this? So this is the question which is very similar with the previous question. We have done split largest area sum, largest area sum. So this is the same question we have done in the previous one, and the approach is very similar. Now we have 7, 2, 5, 10 and 8. We have days equal to 2. So we need to ship them in 2 days. So this means if we have 5 days, So what will be the capacity of the ship? So we have 5 days. There is only one way to send the packages, that is 7 in the first day, second way 2, third day 5, fourth day 10, and fifth day 8. So the maximum weight is 10 of the ship. This will be the answer if we have 5 days. So for these elements, if we have 5 days, the lowest capacity will be 10. Lowest capacity will be 10. Now what if we have only one day? We have day is equal to 1. We need to send these packages. So the maximum capacity for these packages are, for shipping them, the maximum weight is 32. Maximum weight is 32 by adding these all. So here we can see, if we find the mid, we are going to split them in 2 days. We need to ship them in 2 days. This is very similar with the split largest area sum. So the approach is similar and the code is also same. Now mid is 21. Now we have the mid is 21. This mid shows that the expected weight capacity of the ship. Now at day 1, the capacity of day 1 is to send the ship 7, which is less than 21. Then 2, we have the capacity 21. Then 2, that is 9, still less. In the first day we are sending 5 also. This makes it 14, also smaller than 21. Now we are sending 10. It makes it 24, which is greater than 21. This means we need to send this 10 in the next day. So the number of days will increase by 2. In the second day, the capacity should not exceed this value, that is 21. We may not load more weight than the maximum weight capacity of the ship. This is the question we have. So we need to send the next package in the next day. So for the next day, the package will start from 10. 10 is smaller than 21. Yes, it is. Now 8, it makes 18. 18 is smaller than 21. Now we have sent all the packages. We have shipped all the packages and we have used only 2 days. This means answer can be 21. If we take the capacity of the ship of is 21, this means we can send 7 plus 2 plus 5 in the first day and 10 plus 8 in the second day. This is the way. But there can be a chance that we can reduce the capacity of the ship. So for reducing them, we need to find the least bit capacity. So we need to change the value of high from mid to mid minus 1. High will be mid minus 1. This will be, instead of 21, it will be 20. Now we will again find the mid. Mid is 15, day is 1. Now again for day 1, the capacity is first 7. We are sending them in continuous manner. This is the given question we have. Then the second package still less than mid. And third package, which makes it 14, still less than 15. Then the next package, that is 10. It makes it 24, which exceeds the capacity we have. So we need to send the package with weight 10 in second day. So we are starting this second day capacity. For second day capacity, it will start from 10 less than 15 years. Now we are sending the next package with weight 8. It makes it 18. Here 18 is greater than 15. This means we need another day to send this package with weight 8. So we need to increase the days by 1. This means this 8 will take third day to ship. But we have given only 2 days to ship these all packages. This means if we take the capacity of ship 15, we are not able to send all the packages within 2 days. So we need to change the value of low from 10 to mid plus 1, that is 16. We are increasing the capacity now. of the ship. Now we need to increase the capacity. We have increased by mid plus 1. Now we will again find the mid. Now mid is 20 plus 16, that is 36, by 2 18. Now at day 1 we have still 21 as an answer. Now at day 1 it will take 7, it is smaller than 18, then 2, that is 9, smaller than 18, then 5, still smaller than 18, then 10. It makes it take the value, that is this is 24 and we have 18. This means from 10 it will go this second day. We need to increase the value of D. Now this means the next package, that is 10, it is less than 18, yes. Then the next package is 8 with weight 8. This makes it 18, which is less than equal to the 18. We have the capacity of the ship 18 and we have 18 as sending in the day 2. This means we are sending the packages in 2 days with weight 18, the least weight capacity of the ship. Now it will updated by 18 from 21. This will be 18. This means we can send the packages in this manner. In the first day 7 plus 2 plus 5, and then in the second day 10 plus 8. And here we can see the least capacity is 18. Now again we will check, there can be possibility that we can get the capacity less than 18. So we need to change our high by mid minus 1, that is 17. Now again find the mid, it is 16. Now here day 1 capacity is 7 less than 16 plus 2 less than 16 plus 5 less than 16 plus 8 increased. So we need to send the package from 10 in this day 2 again. 10 less than 16 8, this makes it 18. This means again we have chosen the smaller weight. So we need to update the value of low from mid to mid plus 1, that is 17. Now again we will find the mid. Now mid is 17. Day 1 the package is 7 sending less than 17, that is. Now the next package is with 2, it makes it 9 less than 17, then 5 less than 17. Then we are sending 10 in the day 1. Here it exceeds the capacity which is 17, and this makes 24. So we need to send 10 again in the second day. Will increase the number of days by 1. So here we are sending at day 1 10. 10 is less than 17, yes. Then 8, it makes it 18. This means we need third day and we have only 2 days. This means we need to update again our low by mid plus 1 by increasing the capacity of the ship. Now here we can see low is greater than high, so low will break and we get the answer as 18. We have the answer as 18. We can send the package 7 plus 2 plus 5 the day 1, then day 2 10 plus 8. So exactly in 2 days we are sending these 2 packages where least weight capacity of the ship is 18. So this is the approach. So let's write the code. Now first we need the maximum value, start from 0. Maximum value initialized by 0. Now we are going to take all the elements of the array one by one, check the maximum, and we will update the max value max.max of max comma element, and then the sum will be sum plus equal to element. Here there was a case when the number of days and number of packages are same. So here packages are 5, and if days are 5, so there is only one way to send them. Let's see again. We have 7 to 5, 10 and 8. These are 5 packages. We have day 2, day 5, So we can send only in this manner: first day 7, second day 2, third day 5, fourth day 10, fifth day 8. So the maximum weight from this of the capacity, maximum capacity of the ship from this is 10. That is the maximum element from the packages. So we need to return that. So here I am going to write that condition: if days are equal to array dot length. This means the maximum value is the answer. If this false, this means we need to start our binary loop. Low will be at maximum, low will be at maximum, and high will be at sum. We need an answer, so I'm going to initialize answer as 0 now. Start the binary loop, bind the search. Now find the mid. Mid is low plus high divided by 2. Now we need to check, is it possible to to ship all the packages within 3 days having range that is mid. If it is possible, this means our answer will be the capacity which is mid, as we have already seen the by dry run. Here if we got the answer, now we will move to the least weight of the least capacity of the ship. So we need to move there. So high will be updated by mid minus 1, as we have already. As we need to increase the capacity. For increasing the capacity, low will be go from low to mid plus 1. Now we need to return the answer. Here we need to write this is possible function. So 4 is possible. Now this will be public static boolean is possible. We have array, we have a capacity, we have number of days. These three things we have. So by these three things we need to check is it possible or not. So our number of days will be start from 1. We need to sum all the weights of the packages. So sum will be start from 0. Here I am going to use for each loop for all the elements of the array one by one. Now we will sum all the elements. When there will be a moment when sum is greater than the capacity, this means we need to increase our number of days, and sum will be start again from the element. This means we need to start from the element again in the next day. Now what will be the return value? Return value is if d, d we are calculating is less than is equal to the number of days we have. This means it is possible. So it will return true to by this function. If it is false, this means it is not possible, and we will increase the capacity by changing low is equal to mid plus 1. So this is the code. Let's run this. Array dot length we have return maximum. This is maximum. So and here this is maximum max. Okay, now again run this. It is running fine. Let's submit this. So it is accepting all the test cases. So this was very good question, and it is very similar with the previous question we have done. Split the largest array sum. So hope you understand the concept. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.